Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh. My name is Jasdeep Kaur, also known as Kenny Gogia. I am the Holistic Health Coach. Let's play a quick game. Close your eyes and imagine you are given a choice. A deep ocean full of priceless pearls. A shallow, muddy puddle. Where would you rather be? Obviously, right? But here's the shocker. Most of us are standing in the puddle while claiming we want the ocean. That's exactly what Guru Nanak Dev Ji in today's Hukamnama from Shri Darbar Sahib Amritsar at Ang 685 of Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji is telling us today. Tanasri Mahalla Pehla, Guru Sagar Ratini Parpure. The Guru is the ocean filled with pearls. Amrit Sant Chuge Nahi Dure. The saints gather in the ambrosial nectar. They do not go far away from there. Har ras chog chuge prabh pave, which means they taste the subtle essence of the Lord. They are loved by God. Sarvar mein hans pranpat pave, which means within this pool the swans find their Lord, the Lord of their souls. Now Guruji further says, Kya bak bapura chapdi nai? What can the poor crane accomplish by bathing in the mud puddle? कीचड़ डूबे मैल न जाए रहाओ, it sinks into the mire and the filth is not washed away. So Guru Nanak Dev Ji paints a very clear picture. Swan versus crane. The swan the hunts. It seeks the nectar, finds pearls and stays in wisdom. Whereas the crane, the bagula, it pretends to meditate but stays stuck in the mud. So this is a tough question. Which one we are means who we are. You have seen that some people read, listen and attend kirtans. They attend various magams, but nothing changes in their lives. That's the crane. While others, they just take one teaching, maybe any words, maybe from Hukamnama Sahib, any words from Guru Granth Sahib, and they apply it and they actually transform. So now, if we want to make a reality check, let's see various areas of our life: health, family, relationships, finances, business, job, all those areas which are important to you, and see what is working and what is not working. Because it's not about knowing, it's about living. So let's implement the distinctions from today's Hukamnama. Just instead of just reading Gurbani, practice it in your daily life. Maybe take one verse and just keep practicing, whether it's about focus or it's about attention or it's about being in gratitude, any distinction, practice it in your lives. Then from today's Hukamnama, we have learned that choose your company wisely. Surround yourself with the action takers. Those people who take action, they just not dream but do take actions as well. So they are the doers, not the talkers. And then let's drop all the superficial rituals. Gurbani is not just about hearing it or just about reading. It's about becoming it. Then we have gotten a beautiful teaching from today's Hukamnama. Protect your energy. Like a swan separates milk from water. Cut out negativity. And that's possible when you are in a company of the saints as per Gurbani, means all those people who take actions and who live with integrity. So now let's ask ourselves, are we collecting pearls or sitting in the mud? So this today, just pick this Guru's teaching and let's live it. Because Guru Nanak Dev Ji's this wisdom, it isn't for just theory, it's for transformation. So implement it and then you share your experiences with me. Take care, be balanced, be happy. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.